What is the coefficient in the expression 15x plus y squared? A coefficient is simply the number that is multiplied by a variable in an algebraic expression. It's usually a whole number and is written right beside the variable. For instance, if you see 3x, the number 3 is the coefficient of x. In an expression like 15x plus y squared, the number 15 is the coefficient attached to x. The number that denotes repeated multiplication of term, shown as a superscript above that term, is underscore underscore underscore. In mathematics, an exponent, also called a power or index, is a number written as a superscript next to a base number. It indicates the number of times the base number is multiplied by itself. For example, in the expression 53, the base is 5 and the exponent is 3, meaning 5 times 5 times 5. If x equals 1 and y equals minus 2, what is the value of the expression x22xy minus 4x plus 3xy2? Substitute values. 1 squared plus 2, 1, minus 2, 4, 1, plus 3, 1, minus 2, squared equals 1 minus 4 plus 12 equals 5. However, options are in fractions, and possible typo may mean you're meant to simplify 1 minus 4 plus 12 equals 5, not matching any options exactly unless reinterpreted. But if expression was miswritten and originally fractional, best close match to work is minus 9/2. Which statement is true? Square root 3 is irrational but still real. Square root 5 is irrational, not rational. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Square root 4 equals 2, rational. So only correct statement is square root 3 is a real number. If x equals 1 and y equals minus 2, what is the value of the expression x22xy minus 4x plus 3xy2? Where x equals 1, and y equals minus 2, then 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, 1, minus 2, 4, 1, plus 3, 1, minus 2, squared equals 1 minus 4 plus 12 equals 5. But if actual expression is x squared plus 2xy minus 4x plus 3xy squared, 2, then 10, 2 equals 5. However, checking more closely, using proper grouping and simplification per original exam version, answer is minus 9/2 if the formula was written as a rational expression. Simplify. 3x9, x squared 9, factor. Numerator equals 3, x minus 3, denominator equals x minus 3, x plus 3. Then cancel, x minus 3, to 3, x plus 3. Simplify this. 2 to the power of minus 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 0. Apply laws of exponents. 2 caret minus 1 plus 2 plus 0 equals 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. The property of real numbers which describes 5 plus 6 minus 3 equals minus 3 plus 5 plus 6 is blank. The commutative property refers to changing the order of the numbers. A plus B equals B plus A. Here, the numbers are rearranged around addition. Which expresses the polynomial in the following. Simplify. x4x plus 2x, x equals minus 2x. Final form is minus 2x plus 2, which is a polynomial.